Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me here on my media channel. And we've got a big unboxing today, a really, well, not quite as big as the last couple, but still a big one. We have the Columbia Classics Volume 4 4K Ultra HD collection. Now, for those of you who are not aware of what this series is, this is a series that Columbia Pictures has been doing to release many of their classic films on 4K disc. And they're doing the combo route, 4K Blu-ray digital. By the way, I fully expect as the years go on that Blu-ray edition to go away if they're going to give you the digital. And they've kind of been doing it in a way where each release has a film of their choice from one of their decades. So 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s. And in this case, the movies are His Girl Friday, which I have to admit I have not seen, so I'm looking forward to watching it. Guess Who's Coming to Dinner, which is an Academy Award winning film. It's not a great one in my opinion, but you know, it's there. Kramer versus Kramer, which is a Best Picture winner. Starman, Sleepless in Seattle, and Punch Drunk Love, arguably Adam Sandler's best film, depending on who you ask. Some people don't like it because Adam Sandler, they want him to be funny, and he's decidedly not funny in this, but it showed that he could really, really act. So let's look at like this thing is just so big. I love the design, and here you have all the movies with their information, the special features that they have, and it says like this fourth volume of the Columbia Classics 4K Ultra HD collection is truly the best way to watch these beloved cinematic favorites, aka you're not going to get them as good on a streaming service as you're going to get here. So let's open this and let's look at this mass thing and what you get into it. The designs, if you've been watching the previous videos on what these look like, you probably won't notice too much of a difference other than, like, you know, the color, because I think the first one was red and the second was blue. I think the third was yellow, if I remember correctly. You turn around to the back, just the Columbia Pictures logo over and over again. You'll see that there's a book there, and then, oh, you open it up. So let's take a look at this book first, because this is, I'm not going to say this is the highlight of the set, but these are these are just really good books. And here's the thing, they continue their quotes. They've always had quotes, but unlike the previous books, this one's actually showing what some of the movies are from. In fact, this might even be a little bit of a sneak preview to what the next set will have. And we have quotes from On the Waterfront, Spider-Man, Starman's in this one, Ghostbusters, Bridge on the River Kwai, Social Network. So far I think only Starman has been. Oh, actually, here's the thing. They've color-coded the ones that are in here. So Sleepless in Seattle and Kramer versus Kramer. And these green ones, they have not done yet. Now, I think Oliver was in a previous one, as was Tootsie, and Stripes, I believe. So, and yeah, the Social Network was one of them too, but I don't remember Spider-Man or Ghostbusters being in them, so that might be a sneak preview of what's to come with Volume 5. And as with the previous volumes, they have written up pieces for all of the movies that they include, so that you can get some great perspective on the importance of these movies and why they were selected. This feels like a Criterion Collection release in many ways. I especially love that Starman is included, because like Starman was such an underrated film, but you know, and Adam Sandler, like, I don't know how many times I bought Punch Drunk Love at this point. It's in the Criterion Collection. I bought it on a standard DVD before, so yeah. Punch Drunk Love has definitely been purchased by me multiple times. Now let's look at the movies. Oh, and that is the digital codes for all of them. And what they do with all these movies is they have like a little cover for this collection that you can see. It has like a quote praising the movie, but then underneath they show basically what the poster for the movie looked like back in the day, and that's interesting. So the artwork, the Blu-ray has like the something that's similar to this, while the Ultra HD uses poster artwork. That's really cool. I mean they've done that before, and I've mentioned it before, but what the heck, might as well mention it again, just in case it's your first time. Here's Guess Who's Coming to Dinner. It's an Bosley Crowther of the New York Times, delightfully acted and gracefully entertaining film. I mean, well, it's a fine film, in my opinion. Oh, this one they put in backwards. So that's the poster for Guess Who's Coming There. I like A Love Story of Today. In fact, fun fact about this movie, some friends actually showed it to some teenagers they were watching, and the teenagers thought that the movie was a comedy because there was no way Prejudice was that silly. Well, there you go. So there's the back. Let's look at the discs. I expect something. I wish they would stop. Okay, so this one they didn't do the movie poster for the HD, but yeah, whatever. So I guess that looks fine. We'll put it on correctly, though. Put this in here. And we have Kramer vs. Kramer. This one's going to proudly display the Academy Award for Best Picture. The quote they got is from Leonard Maltin. I love Leonard Maltin. Intelligent, beautifully crafted, intensely moving film. He is absolutely right on that one. There's the poster. It's kind of amazing posters like this used to be made, and it would actually attract people to movies. So let's look at the discs. Oh, this disc actually fell out. Thankfully, no scratches. So, and yeah, this one's just, it's interesting how the artwork kind of just changes. I thought that there was going to be like a theme to all this, and apparently there is not a theme to all this. So let's put this back here. Take some of these out. That's interesting. All right, and then we have Starman. Let's look on the back. Box office is a tender, moving science fiction love story. And see, I remember this poster on Wikipedia. I like having it like, he's traveled from a galaxy far beyond our own. He is 100,000 years ahead of us. He has powers we cannot comprehend, and he's about to face the one force in the universe he has yet to conquer: love. And this is a John Carpenter film. This is one of the few John Carpenter films that got an Academy Award nomination for Best Actor for Jeff Bridges. I do see movie posters back then told so much more. They told so much more story. So here we have this. Now, I would like if this was the image on the 4K disc. Let's see if it is. Kinda. Now this is interesting. What is this? Starman, the complete series. Whoa. Wait a minute. Is this Whoa. Okay, so this is interesting. These two discs are of Starman, the complete series. Is that James Woods? Is that James? No, I don't think that's James Woods, but wow. So does that mean behind here, there's the Blu-ray? There's the Blu-ray. Oh my gosh. So you get, this was unexpected, one of the bonus features is you get the complete series of the Starman series, and it's also on 4K. Oh my gosh, what a bonus. I didn't even know this thing existed. Oh, that's the dad from Homeward Bound. And the guy from Airplane. So, wow, do they advertise that on the box? Behind the scenes lap. I don't think they're really advertising that. So you get a whole TV series with this one. Oh wait, also includes starting the complete series. Now, that is a clever way to add value to a movie. I can't believe I can't believe that. That is awesome. That is awesome. Okay, Sleepless in Seattle's. Love this movie as a kid. And the quote is from Clara Hensley from Head Stuff, the greatest romantic comedy of all time. It's certainly one of them. And of course, iconic poster, very iconic poster. And so this of course made Tom Hanks and Meg Ryan the it couple. Another disc fell out. But I ultimately do like it. I do like it. No TV series with this one. I'm still reeling that they've included like a whole TV series with Starman. And then we have Punch Drunk Love. This is the one that most Adam Sandler fans hate. I really love this movie though. And Glenn Kenny from Premiere said, a movie of undeniable power, a modestly scaled masterpiece. And the late great Philip Seymour Hoffman's in this. That was the poster, obviously. This was actually, I think, what the design in the back of the DVD was. And another dislocated disc. We're back to the poster. And yep, that is so good. So that is what the set looks like. Very nice collection. Can't wait to see what Volume 5 brings us. This is becoming like one of my favorite media collections next to the Walt Disney Treasures and Criterion. But we have a bonus for you today. Anyone who stuck around till the end. So, just to let you know, we're giving away some codes. Not all of them. Not all of them. And the ones that I don't want you to have are going to be redeemed before this video goes up. But if you want Guess Who's Coming to Dinner, Kramer versus Kramer, or Punch Drunk Love, now's your chance to get them. Just take these codes to Movies Anywhere, type them in, and yep, redeem the movie. In fact, if you got it, let me know below so that I can, know who got it. All right, everyone. So thank you for watching. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and check out our podcast, iCritic Live, on Apple Podcasts, Google, everywhere that podcast is available. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.